In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a poll in Skool. If you're running a community and want quick, structured feedback, polls are one of the fastest ways to get it. They help you take the pulse of your members, prioritize topics, plan events, or simply spark engagement without asking people to type long replies. The process is simple and happens right inside the same place you post regular updates. Start by heading to the group feed in the community where you want the poll to live. This is the mainstream where conversations, updates, and resources appear. Make sure you're in the correct group if you manage or belong to multiple communities, so your poll reaches the right audience. Next, click the post button, or start a new post just like you normally would. This opens the editor where you'd typically write a message. Think of this editor as your command center for creating anything you share with the group. Along the bottom of this editor, you'll see a row of tools. Look for the poll icon, usually represented by a simple bar chart. That's the switch that turns a regular post into a poll. Select the poll icon. When you do, the editor shifts into poll mode. You'll notice the layout adjusts to reflect that you're creating a poll instead of a standard text post. This confirmation is helpful, especially if you're multitasking or moving quickly. If you don't immediately see the poll icon, check that your window is wide enough to show the full toolbar and confirm you're in the correct posting area within the group feed. Some interfaces collapse toolbar items on smaller screens, so expanding your window or scrolling the toolbar can help. A quick tip before you proceed: verify you have the appropriate permissions to post in that group. If the post button or poll icon isn't available, it may be a permission setting from the community's administrators. In that case, checking with a moderator or admin can clarify access without wasting time troubleshooting. That's really all there is to it. Navigate to your group feed, open a new post with the post button, and choose the poll icon along the bottom of the editor. With those actions, you're set up in the dedicated poll format and ready to gather structured responses from your members. Use polls thoughtfully. Clear questions and concise options tend to get the most participation and the most useful insights. Thanks for watching, and enjoy tapping into your community's collective wisdom with Skool polls.